guys, welcome back to CodePlusOne. And after a very long wait, I am finally uploading the final video of this series. Yep, that's very good. So let's get started. So first we will start with importing the random module. Next I'm leaving a blank space so that it is easy for me to edit code in future. A equals to random dot transcending 1 and 100. Next we have B, which equals to int for integer, and then input, and here we will type what we wanted to show. Please enter your guess here. I'm going to do one more thing here. I'm going to put a try. And accept. Print. Please enter an integer only, so that we don't get any errors. Wait, yeah, I want it to be in a code loop. Let's do one thing. I'll just remove this, enter your guess here, and I will type it should be an integer only. And here I'm going to type while A is unequal to B, and now here I'm going to type an if-else statement. First I have a loop, then an if statement. If A is greater than B, then print a string the actual number is I think greater, is greater than I'm going to type here B, and now I'm going to type if A is not greater than B, then I'm going to wait. I did mistake. I need to do is B equals to input, whoops, and then b equals to b, whoops, again int input, and here I will type, wait, I need to make this an string, the actual number is smaller than b, and here, since this all has ended, I forgot to do a white space here. Now here I will type wait, just for extra confirmation, if a is equal to b, print congratulations. I don't know if my spelling is correct, just bear with me. I forgot to make this an string again. Congratulations. Here I will type B was the correct word. And now, like always, I'm going to test this. Run file in terminal. You might see what are all these things. Actually, I was doing some other personal project. So wait, let me just remove this. Just kill terminal. Run Python file in terminal. Yeah, new terminal. Let's try 15. Then let's try 30. Let me try 20. What? Why is this not working? 25. It's between 20 and 25. Let's try 23. Finally. Took forever. And just for extra confirmation, here's what I will do. Print A, so that I know that I am entering the correct answer. Let's see. 1 is greater than 1. 19 is greater than 19. 29, it's even greater than 29. 39, it's greater than 39. 49, and then let's try 45. 48, 46. Yeah, it is working all correct. So yep, that's all. I mean, the video hasn't ended. Now we will do the magic of import time. I will do time dot sleep 0.1. Time dot sleep 1 and another time dot sleep of 1 second. I'm going to remove this. Here I'm going to add a colon and a space. Colon and space. So another way. And yep, let's try it again. Let's see how much better this is this time. Let me just do this to full screen. 10, 60, even greater than that. Let's try 80, 70, 75, 79. What? 77. It takes forever to guess. And yeah, it's pretty good right now. Like, yeah, it's looking very good. So yep, that's all for today's video. Enjoy the outro. Peace.